Good afternoon. Today I want to show you this really nice toothbrush I got. So it's very sleek, well made. The piece just comes right off like that. They have an extra already in there, and they also have protectors for each piece. That way if you go to travel, it's very easy. See, just take them off, travel like that. I'm going to put it back on. Put that back in. The cable is a simple C-port. So I really like that this is a C-port. That way you don't need a special charger, but it does have a waterproof grommet. That way it's not going to short out. But it comes with its own C-port, but obviously you'll probably have one of those too. So very nice for travel. Put it right back in like that. When you turn it on, you'll see that it has your battery level right away. When it's not vibrating, that is your battery level. So I'm not up to 3, I have 2. It's on massage, white, or clean. And you can see like it's moving so vigorously. So let's try it. A little bit. And go. Whoo! That vibrates. Oh my god. Woo! My mouth feels very clean. Oh wow. Yeah, and it's like a different type of vibration that I'm not used to, and I have one of these. So I definitely recommend it. It's definitely different and so sleek and so travel size. So enjoy.